What's up everyone, this is Kenny here, and today I'm actually in Malay Permai. So I'm going to try this 96 nasi lemak behind. And I heard a lot about it. It's a newly opened store actually. I think it's about a month. So let's go. So here's the food court. This is the food court that we are going to go to for nasi lemak today. So this is the store we are going today. 96 nasi lemak. So these are the types of chicken they prepare. This is the ayam rempah, chicken in spices. This is Berendam, sambal petai with prawn, and their specialty nasi lemak. So the chef is there. That's the chef. Let's go. Let's go. Menu. Tuesday to Saturday, 12 to 9 p.m. Sunday, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. So this nasi lemak store is located in the food court. There are a lot of other stuff here. So this is there are drinks here and also suju, I think. So this is the food court is located at. The chef Nicholas here. Chef Nicholas will show us how he prepare his the chicken.
这是我们的 Kentucky 炸鸡啊。
哦 ，Kentucky 炸鸡啊。
它像 Kentucky 又像美多那个 spicy chicken。
哦 ，That's interesting. It's like Kentucky or McDonald like fried chicken. So you put with the that's 什么来的？flour
那个它的 flavor。
I see.
Secret ingredient.
Oh, your secret ingredient. Okay. Secret ingredient, no problem.
Satu kali lagi.
Oh, so one more time. Okay. So this is actually their specialty lah. So I've ordered nasi lemak ayam goreng. I heard also their sambal petai prawn is good. So let's try. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh, in the deep fryer it goes.
Yes.
Well, so you prepare the chicken is prepared overnight, is it?
Yeah, overnight. Let him seasoning first.
Oh, so how long you marinate it for?
Marinate for over 24 hours.
Over 24 hours lah. Okay.
You only can absorb the flavor.
Oh. How long have you opened this place already?
Yeah, 1 month plus only.
1 month plus lah. Okay.
Still new lah.
Okay, no problem. I heard a lot about the chicken.
Yeah.
That's why I came here today.
Thank you. All the way from KL.
Yes, correct. Your name go until KL already. So the chicken there you fry for how long?
Around 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
On the way.
Wow, it looks good, man. So those are your secret recipe. Your marinade secret.
Marinade only.
Can't wait to try. So if you do nasi lemak, you must have the kangkong. So you fry the kangkong.
Fry and then boil the kangkong.
Sorry, boil. See, I don't go kitchen one, that's a problem.
Go.
Sambal.
It's better is fry goreng lagi sedap lah.
Oh, goreng lagi sedap lah. But you boil, right?
I boil because I want to give more nicer the color.
Oh.
Green color only.
Oh, you want the color to come out lah. Okay. Oh, wow, the sambal looks good, man. So sambal also prepared overnight before?
Sambal is at home cook already. Only come here reheat lah.
Oh.
And sambal and nasi we are at home bought here.
Oh. So the sambal and nasi prepare at home lah. I see. Well, it looks good, man. Wow, look at the colors. Come on, let me show you. Let me just show the viewers the colors. Yo! Wow, so thick ah. Spicy or not?
Oh, can.
Okay, let me try later. Okay, so we have some kangkong done. Oh, looks good, man, the colors.
Look green lah.
Green color lah.
Green color.
Oh. Well, this is the secret lah. So okay. So next time I know I will boil my kangkong first. Instead of stir fry, I boil. So the colors become green like that. Oh, look at that. This is the secret. Oh, okay. normal pack, right?
Normal one.
Without the fried chicken.
Yes.
So that's sambal put there. There's anchovies, then got ground peanuts. Oh, chicken is done. It smells good. So this is the nasi lemak together with the sambal petai. Okay. So let's dig in. Oh yeah, Dad told me the kopi C here is their specialty. So let me try the kopi C. My dad is not a coffee drinker, so take it with a pinch of salt. Okay, so this is the ayam berempah, this is ayam goreng. Okay, looks good, man. Two types. So they do have a rendang also if you want. Okay, nasi lemak together with ayam rendang. So we start off with nasi lemak. Right? The rice not that fragrant. Maybe it's too cold. We are under the white fan. Never mind. Sambal. Sambal is good. Sambal is good. Cold. So the same sambal just now you saw from the video used to fry this sambal petai prawns. Okay. So you eat petai, it's called stinky bean. Your what? The toilet you go and pee the whole toilet will smell. That's why you call it stinky beans. But it's good. Nice. Wow, the sambal is nice. Just fry a bit, put some onion and some stinky beans, then that's it. Next is the ayam goreng berempah. Put together with the rice. The rempah can really taste the rempah. Spices rempah is spicy. Now I'm trying the ayam goreng. Fine. Okay, we are next up, try kopi C. Oh, okay, this is a good cup of coffee. Okay. This is good. Okay. Here I've got around the corner, come to 96, perfect 96 food court. I'll leave the address in the description down below. So see you if you can here. Bye bye.